So, guys, welcome to stream our first. No, it's not our first full time, full English stream. So, welcome again. Welcome here. Welcome to one of the best, one of the bestest streams ever. Today we're playing Football Manager 2023 because I had some issues with the newer ones. So let's play with this. The fact is that I don't know what team to choose. That's a big problem, guys. So, should I start on England or something? Maybe I should. So, guys, please tell me, please tell me. Chat, please vote. Please vote what team should I manage? For real though. For real, because I'm so confused right now. Should I pick something difficult? Can I? International. Okay, okay. I listened to that, but let's pick club head coach. Let's go to Germany. No, 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 no. Let's go England. England it is. So let's pick. Let's pick the most trollable team right now from all these. What is the most trollable team right now? Tottenham got a Europa League trophy, so it's not that trollable right now. Arsenal just took the Premier League, so it's not trollable right now. I guess the clubs that are left are Manchester United and Chelsea. City is in a good... No, Liverpool. Okay. Arne Slot a successor and stuff. Huh? Should I pick Liverpool? Let's go. Let's go, Liverpool. Liverpool. Let's go. Okay. Quick start. I don't care about the most stuff we will see around here, but let's go. I don't care. I don't give a shit. While it's loading, guys, it's been tough around here. It's been enthusiastic, but I mean that's how life is. Sometimes you just need to chill. Sometimes you need to just relax, get in your room, open your PC, and play some games. Am I right? Yeah, right now I'm talking with my alter ego, my schizophrenia friend, but he isn't listening. Yeah, yeah, I guess. So let's pick Liverpool. I don't know what am I doing. I don't know what am I doing, my friend. But we'll see about that. We'll see. We'll fix Liverpool's issues within a minute. It's just seconds, literally. But I don't remember what team was Liverpool have in. Did Liverpool have in like Football Manager 2023? Let me check real quick. Wait, let me check. Wait. We'll see together. Liverpool FM23 team. Let's check real quick. So we'll have a more clear picture, the bigger picture. Thiago, oh, okay. Alisson, Virgil van Dijk, Mohamed Salah, Luis Diaz, Fabinho. We have some good stuff right here. Diogo Jota, respect, respect. But I feel like I'm gonna sell him in order to, yeah. I I think you understand my point on this issue. So, Matip, Robertson, Nunez, Keita, Firmino. We have Firmino, bro. Cody Gakpo, Konate, Henderson, Tsimikas, Chamberlain, Milner, Elliot, Arthur, Curtis Jones, Kelleher, Fabio Carvalho. Yeah. From that point, yeah, we need to fix this ASAP, guys. We need to fix this. I see a team with some vision right here, but still, let's see that. No, I don't want in-game editor. I don't care. We are not fakes. Okay, we are not fakes. I'm not playing fake right here. We will cook. Second media prediction. Right now we have a 4-3-3. Okay, 4-3-3. Let's cook, guys. Let's cook. Please tell me I have some good every month. Every month I won't go to any meetings. Don't don't get me busy with this, please. I don't care. I don't give a single flying shit for your suggestions. Your suggestions means nothing to me. The best suggestions and the best transfers will be made by me. Okay, thank you. Your only job is just to find me some good wonder kids from Brazil, like 17 years old, 5-star potential, please. Let me charge the phone real quick. So chat, we agree, we agree. I see that. Let's continue. Yeah, decline to meet the press, bro. Why? Hot shit. Yeah. Let's see the team. Let's see the team in order to pick our formation for now, and let's cook. Let's cook. We need to cook. So. What? Can I just see the detail, please? Filter. Why it's just nothing right here? Oh, stats, goal attempts, general info. Okay, right here. All I wanted is right here. Ability. We have our top three players are Mohamed Salah, a winger, inverted winger to be specific. Alisson is a goalkeeper. We don't care. And Virgil van Dijk, a ball-playing defender. So, what comes through my mind right now? Right now, bro. Liverpool is a team that likes to get in front and doesn't suffocate easily on the opponent's team high press. So, we will cook them by giving the space to Virgil van Dijk and his associate and his little helper like Santa to get the ball forward, fly hard as fuck. I don't care. I don't give a shit. Just fly forward, bro. I see my vision sees a ball playing defender with a libero next to him. We cook. And the counter attack possibilities are so high. We might be cooked as well, but who cares? For real, who cares? Let's pick a Gegenpress. I want this. I want that Gegenpress. I want to feel the pressure. The pressure. You, I think you see the vision of that. So, let's get a quick pick right here. And we have a ball playing defender, inverted winger Mohamed Salah, and on attack mode because he's Mohamed fucking Salah. Please. Uh, so I must think in the way I want my team to just get the ball forward. How how the most English opponents step their team forward for every match. How do they press? Like I have some skeleton, some structure for Aston Villa. They like to go 4-2-4 and high press. They just destroy me every time with this. I only want like one time. But yeah, they are really difficult. I must see the press right here. So let's see the stats that I never see. I always keep them. Wait, stats. No. Strength, first stats. What we lack? Finishing. Okay. Finishing long shots. 10 million. Okay. Yeah, we like good to go. For Liverpool, no. Of course not. Of course not. Hell no. So let's pick a libero. What? Three player? Oh no. You know what? Two ball playing defenders it is. I don't care. We just get the ball right there, and by the time they get up front, the two central defenders, we don't need two defensive midfielders. What I would do? I don't even know. I like the two guys, two wing backs and two wingers. I want to keep that. As for the two forwards, I'm not that. I can't say that I'm impressed. So I'll get the one to do the CEM job, like number 10, number floor, and all I see is like, hmm, there is always a space right there. There is always a space. There's a space I don't like, to be honest. Should I go like 4-1, 4-1, 4-1? No, I will do something like this. That's how I like my team to play. Roaming playmaker or advanced. Roaming playmaker, because I want him to get the most passes available to him. Ball winning on support, because I want him to run up. Run up. Fabinho, run up. And after you run up, let's quick again. Gakpo, okay. Okay, I see the vision right here. Most teams in like Premier League just need to get the passes on the back of our defensive line. So I'll be watching this really closely. Can't say I didn't worry you. So right now, after we chose our what happened? We have no one, bro. After we have chosen our like formation, we need to find some good players. We lack long shots. That's what I'm going to search for. Add condition? No. Attributes. Let's pick no. Long shots. 15 at least. Let's loan someone because no money, no honey. Carlos Soler, Elif Elmas. I mean, I mean, there are some good stats right here, and passing as well. But by the time I got some of there, let's bring him. Let's bring him. Let's bring him. I don't care. I don't care. I need passing. I need shooting. I need everything. Mandatory. I mean, he plays many positions. I'll be glad to do this. To do this. To do this. I'll be glad to do this, to be honest. So, he doesn't need to play a specific position. We are okay. Yeah, let's bring it. First transfer. First loan, but it will be a transfer. Let's bring this shit up. Let's bring it. Elif Elmas. Here we go. Squad player. Big pay raise. Ah, bro. Where do you think you're going with this? Yeah, okay, okay. 6 million. Holy, holy mother of. Like, what do you want 6 million to play for? What club do you think you play for, brother? Liverpool or something? We're at the local village. Just go play on the weekend, Sunday weekend, Sunday leagues. Shut your bitches up. Shut your bitches up. Like, who met you? Who is Kumitio? So, guys, welcome to the team meeting. I would like to introduce myself as your new head coach and answer any questions that you may have. Welcome, I hope. So, right now, Jordan Henderson talks. Okay. Welcome, I hope as a team we can go on to achieve great things under your leadership. I'm glad that you respect my reputation like it's the first club I ever managed, but thank you for the respect. Yeah, I don't want to make any promises. I'm happy with that. Let's talk about our target for the season. We are good to win the league, but we can mount a strong title challenge. Oh, yeah. Hmm. Bro, can't I just skip this? I don't want to go further in that chat. I want to drop the psychology right here. The mentality, the what the fuck am I talking about? I'll also be aiming to win the FA Cup this season. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't care about anything else, guys. So I'm glad we found a common ground to begin with, and we can just drop off with this. Just drop off. So we just got Elif Elmas for the CAM position. I mean, that's a good transfer for me, guys. That's a good transfer for me. That was what I was looking for right now, and it will improve many things in the gameplay as I see all those things, to be honest. So also, I want an advanced forward. Yeah, Gakpo, attacking midfielder, inverted winger. We have Salah. Inside forward, we have two wing backs to get some good crosses in there. You know what? Diaz will be a winger. I need some good crosses. And Robertson will be an inverted wing back. Let's change this a bit. Make them a bit anxious about how they will play against us. I love making them anxious. I love it. Kumetio, bro, just Elif Elmas is right here, guys. I'm so proud of this transfer. I'm so proud. Elif Elmas, if you are listening, you are helping this club, bro. Hope one day I'll get you a Liverpool IRL. I hope that. He's my fucking wonder kid right there. Let's go. Long shots. We miss as well some good finishing. What are our options on striker position? Like Nunez? Yeah. We need someone good. No, my boy Nunez is really good at this. But we need someone else. Did I cover it well enough? Finishing, let's go with 16. Loney. What are those? Cristiano Volpato. Volpa He's not even a striker, bro. What is this? Dueñas. Like, is he ever gonna score? Nah, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. That is crazy. Quick. Oh, okay, okay. It was my bad. It was my bad. Mariano. Could we pick Mariano for that? Hmm. We need some good determination, to be honest. But something's missing right here. Something's missing. Anthony Modest, Mattia Destro. Hmm. I like the work rate. We do have a Gegenpress formation, so let's go. Let's go. No, I can't. I can't choose. Please. Okay, okay, okay. Mattia Destro it is. Mattia Destro. Elif Elmas. Bro. Bro, I can't choose. I can't choose. Who is Jay Spearing, bro? Like, fuck. We are so freaking. Just let me pick him, bro. Just let him pick him. Pick him. I didn't remember the registration rules. Holy fucking shit. No. Bro, there must be some good solution to that. Who is Adrian? Who the fuck is Adrian? Day, yeah. We are so freaking. Oh, I would get out Diogo Jota. Diogo Jota for what I said. Out of respect, out of respect, he was a really good player, but I gotta do what I gotta do. But still, I need to pick some players. I mean, Firmino would help us. Yeah, he can play. I'll keep him. I'll keep him. I don't need the Mattia Destro, I guess. Mate, who is this brother? Who is this? Dancing in September, oh dear, never was a cloudy day. Oh, we are. Say that you remember, oh, we are. Dancing in September, oh, we are. Never was a cloudy day. Let's go on with this. Let's go on. Decline. I'll decline. So, first match is a testimonial. What the fuck is a testimonial? What is testimonial? What is testimonial? Like, for real? Yeah, for real. Let's pick up the pace, of course. Comprehensive, something like this. Wait, man, the graphics are crazy, bro. The graphics are crazy. Thiago Shaw with a long pass to Luis Diaz. Luis Diaz. Okay, okay. I'm gonna see the vision. Hmm. Right there, right there. I saw a standard defensive line from the opponents. So we need to stretch them a bit. We are doing good for now. Let's go, Virgil! Get a man on them. Get a man on them. Werner, close him. At all cost. Close him. I don't care. He's their center forward. The striker. We close him. I really don't like this. Good job, Thiago. Thiago, the roaming play. You are a roaming playmaker and you do a pass like this? What the? What pass was this? So right here we have high press. Can't believe this. I can't believe. Thiago goes back here and central defenders. I won't. I won't even bother, bro. No nonsense. High press. We don't want to invite them. We don't want to invite the pressure. Good job. Good job. Why do we playing those long passes? Why? I thought he was injured, bro. I thought he was injured. No. Let's see this. No step up more. No step up more. Let's go with standard. Let's pick this. The, the price is high. So high, bro. So high. I'll do something else in order to break this pressure. Let's get the defensive midfielders to be central midfielders over there. And the tempo, I need it to be standard. We should chill a bit, not go crazy. We need to control the game as well as we can. Damn. Werner is so. Should I just go lower defensive line at this point? What passes are those? Bro, what passes are those? Okay, Robertson. Robertson, played well, played well. Thiago, that's my boy over there. Henderson, press them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good, that's good, that's good. Again, Mohamed Salah. Okay, that's better, that's better. We are starting to get a feel of this. We are starting to get a feel of these guys. Konate, okay. Shoot it. Okay, that was good. That was good. Shoot the ball more times. Robertson. What a good ball, bro. What a good ball. Thiago. Hmm. They covered their backs well, to be honest. So Darwin Nunez won't have much space behind them. I like our pressure, bro. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. We cook. We cook, guys. Chat, are we cooking? Are we cooking, chat? What a team did Leipzig have right here? So was like Olmo, like Nkunku, like Gvardiol, like Werner. What? How didn't this team win anything at all, to be honest? That's crazy. What a team. What a team. Haidara, Henriks. Let's play a bit more, guys. Elif Elmas. That's my transfer over there. How can you lose that, bro? How can you lose that? You're like in front of the goalkeeper and you just. Eh. How the. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. How can you possibly lose this without effort? Don't invite pressure, guys. Don't invite pressure. Don't be trash. Just don't be trash. Not that hard. Elif Elmas, right there. Darwin, my boy Darwin. My boy Darwin. Elif Elmas the assist. Our transfer the assist. Trust. Trust in the coach's plan, bro. Trust in the coach's plan. Right freaking there. Right freaking there, bro. We cook. We cook so hard. Henderson. Get over there. Get the foul. Yellow. Arnold. Okay. Press, press, press. That was good. That was good. Make them anxious. That's okay. That's okay. Virgil, Thiago, Luis Diaz, Robertson. Damn. Elif. What a player, bro. What a player. Elif Elmas. Get me an autograph, bro. Get me an autograph, Elif Elmas. And Kuku. Nice. That's nice. Okay. Please just don't get injured, boy. I won't survive this. I won't survive this. Salah, okay. Luis Diaz. Was it offside? Yeah. Nice effort though. The goalkeeper was standing like, What is what is this, bro? What is this? He like froze. He like froze. Like the food I have in my fridge for like 1 year a bit. 1 year a bit. And Cuckoo. Okay. Robertson, the inverted wingback right there. That was nice. It was not needed to take this header, but no problem. We do not have the shots, the numbers, but we have the quality. That's what I'm looking for. We don't need to like take 100 shots and score none, like Leipzig did right there. So Guardiol, hmm, I see Guardiol trying to make some good crosses over there. So we'll need to just get rid of him. So the other players are like mediocre. Damn, what a shot, bro! What a shot! Good job, Adrian. Good job, Adrian. Is he like from Miraculous Ladybug? Like who to who? Who is Adrian? It's my first time listening of him. I don't even know him. That's okay. That was a through ball. We don't need this. We don't need this. Fucking hell, ref. What was that? How can we how can we just survive this at this point? So let's get Henderson over here and those guys up front, make the passes direct and see whatever happens. We just need to get the ball out of there ASAP. That's like it. That's like it. No worries, no worries. Offsides happen. But I need us to stay safe though. Like this. That's okay. Robertson inverted winger. Wingback. Press them, press them, press. What? Henderson! 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 I like Henderson. Henderson shoulders. That's more like it, bro. That's more like it. That's more like it than Goku. Gets a cross. That's nice. Darwin. Press him. Bro, like press him. He's in front of you. Press him. Press him. Why didn't you pressure him? Fuck's sake, bro. Soboslai to Werner. Werner, close him. Close him. I don't care about Soboslai. How did this player even get in Liverpool? Like, what the fuck is this? Be for real. Hendricks, okay. I see some through balls over there, to be honest. Press, 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 press. Lower defensive line, as up. Lower defensive line as up. I didn't swear. I didn't swear. Mohamed Salah. That's good. That's good. Wait. Lower defensive line. Let's play that safe. Let's play that safe. We can just move this to mid block as well at this point. I don't care about how high pressure right now. But let's see how this ends up, to be honest. Arnold to Mohamed Salah. Yalo, Xavier. Push him, push him, push him. That's right. Press. Press over there. Press over there. What is Haidara? What is... Press him. Press him. Good job. Good job. They are left without left back. Let's go. Let's go. Darwin. Too slow, guys. Too slow. That's ball. That's ball. That's ball. That's ball. 2-0. 2-0. Leipzig. Sadio Man. Sadio Man. Good job. Good job. Lads, we are doing great. I will just invite you to get some souvlaki and beer together and watch World Cup. Okay? Okay. Pizza, souvlaki, malaka, and some stuff like this. Adrian, Virgil, Henderson, Adrian, what a build-up, bro. We are cold. We are cold. Luis Diaz just get the ball. Bro, like, Elif Elmas. That's right. That's right. Bro, missed. Laika missed that girl's number, bro. He missed so hard, bro. He missed so hard. Like, how? I'm fucking impressed right now, to be honest. Luis Diaz is getting out for real. Fabio Carvalho, let's get Cody Gakpo over there. And Dean Henderson, Jordan, baby. So we get like Fabinho over there. Robertson is playing well. I have no problem with that. Let's get James Milner though. Let's get him relax a bit. That's a perfect match for me. See what changes. Like, that's okay. Virgil, Gakpo to Thiago. What a pass. Darwin just scored this, bro. Let's mark Campbell, the newest addition to the field. Don't care about anything else right now. Okay, okay. Darwin, Mulno. That's what I like to see, bro. That's what I like to see. Elif Elmas. Elif fucking Elmas. Elif Elmas. Elif. My transfer, bro. My transfer is caring so freaking hard, bro. Like, look at this. Shevskis. What the fuck is this? That's perfect. Perfect. Fabinhos. Milna. No, no, no. Don't get it short. No. Please, please. Please don't be serious. We cool, we cool. We cool, brother. Like 3-0. Keep this. Mohamed Salah, what was that, bro? That's good. That's good. 3-0 with a Champions League level team. We are doing so well. I'm impressed, to be honest. Good job, Thiago. Offside. That was offside, but we scored like 5 goals. Yeah, there was 2 offsides, but I really like the connections my players have. And Elif Elmas was not the MVP, but he did contribute a lot, to be honest. And chat sees this as well. You see this, Nyland. Press, press, press. Let's go, press them. That's right, that's right. Konate, Fabinho, no need for such a pass, but I have some direct passing over there, so I respect the choice. Get him, dog, get him. My dog Fabinho. 3-0. What a win. What a win, bro. What a win. We cooked so hard. That's what I was looking for, guys. That's what I was looking for. 3-0. Nah. Is he retiring? What? What testimonial then, bro? Our team is like perfect, but we need some things to change. I don't know what. As well. We can cook everyone. I cook you. I cook you. I cook you. I cook everyone. Everyone. I cook everyone. I cook you. I cook you so hard. You can forget how cooking is left. You understand me? Yeah. Man, right now I'm talking like this guy on TikTok, if you ever seen him, who's like mafia boss, and he's really motivational, to be honest. But he talks like this. So, if anyone rejects your offer and they don't know what to tell you, you should just shut the fuck up and tell them to jump. I won't continue this because we have some issues. But you understand me. You understand. My precious. That's right. Right now we play with our fellow neighbors. Our fellow neighbors. Besiktas. Did I pronounce this right? Or I think it was a good offer. Merhaba. 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 I can't even pronounce this. Hope my Turkish fellows over there just accept my pronunciation. Let's reject everything because I don't give a. I don't care about your evolution and I don't care about anything. Just stay in my second or like third team and play your football. I don't care. You'll never see the light of the sun. You just see the first team winning trophies with me. That's how we cook. That's how we ball, bro. That's how we ball. Let's pick another team. Carvalho, I don't care. That's like our second team or something. Yes. Only Van Dijk and Adrian stays, so I'm good with this. Let's save the game in order to avoid anything. May lag, it may crash. I don't know. Let's cook. To be honest, I'm like a bit nervous right now. I'm a bit nervous. I need some water, but I win, bro. I win. You know I win. You know I win. And after it, we are getting souvlakias. I need to like watch how they apply pressure in order to win this. Hmm. Simikas. So right there, we have some good things to see. Tsimikas will be a wing back. I need to stress the play right there. And Keita will go back, but will keep his role. Let me see this. Let me see this. I think that's a good change right there. And we still have the high press thing. Let's watch it. Keita, Arthur, Salah. Good play, good play. We have high press, guys. We have high press. They play as well. They play good as well, to be honest. Mohamed Salah, Carvalho, don't know. I don't know. We can just shorten the passes a bit. That's what I'm thinking of. And we need a mid block right now. Right now. High press won't work. They like view the whole situation easily. They can just continue the build up, and I'm like garbage at this. Simikas, let's go. Stress the play. Carvalho, press. That's good. That's good. That's good, but we need to focus on our approach. Mid block. That's good. That's good. Firmino. They do have a standard defensive line as well, so we need to just surpass them in some way or something. Mid block, mid block, mid block. We need mid block right there. Mid block. Yeah, yeah. That's my mid block. That's my mid block. Gomez. I would like some more pacey wingers right there, but we have Trent. He's in the changes, in the subs. We are doing good. We are doing good. But it's a far more difficult match right now. I don't know. Gezal is booked. What a player. I think I remember him from older ages. He was so good. Is he like Algerian or something? Tsimikas, Tsimikas. Let's go, let's go. Ah, fucking hell, man. Fucking hell. What is this? Tsimikas, Arthur, Adrian from the Ladybug Sam or something. Tsimikas. Let's go. He cooks, he cooks, he cooks. Four. Shorter, we need shorter pass. Virgil. Yeah, that was risky. That was too risky to be honest. Let's I don't want tempo. I don't want some tempo like this. Don't care. Tempo is like the only thing I rarely care about. I just want my team to play patiently, perfectly, and I don't care about anything else. Just play good. Just play good, guys. Please. We have mid block. Mid block. Hmm. Gakpo. That's nice. Do we have high pressure? No, no. That's mid block. That's mid block. Okay. Kita. Salah. Hmm. So the change I think of right now is Arthur would be a good roaming playmaker as well. Let's have some roaming playmakers right there. They can move themselves. Some more freedom of passing right there. Tsimikas. Keita. Virgil. Arthur. Keita. That's right. That's right. That's what I want to see. Gomez. Holy damn. What? He hit the post like a thunder, bro. Hit the post like a thunder. It was really great, bro. Really great. Respect. Gomez. Gomez. He gets the ball. Arthur. It was difficult to get the header over there. Let's go for the corner. Gakpo. Gakpo. Get this in. Get this in. Virgil. No, Matip. Matip. Virgil. Virgil. Okay. Tsimikas Arthur. What a pass. Bro, please let this be a goal. Let this be a goal, bro. It was perfect. It was perfect. What a pass. What a pass over there. Yeah, we need mid block, but we need something good as well. I can't find what. Like, who is pulling the strings in this team? Gezal. No, I don't think it's him. I really don't think it's him. Redmond, okay, okay. Mazuaku. What I was thinking of is like bringing one of wingbacks far more forward. So let's try this. Let's try this. Gomez on attack and Tsimikas on complete wingback support. Let's do this. Let's risk a bit. Why not? See some changes. Hmm. Carvalho over there. Firmino. 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 We need to change him. Who should I get forward? Nunez. And Gakpo for Luis Diaz. Let's go. Changes of the previous match. Like the 3-0 on Leipzig. Leipzig. How is this pronounced? Like German things I don't know. I hate German language, to be honest. I hate it. It's so heavy for the tongue. Like another things are heavy on the tongue. Lev Yassin, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Why does Besiktas have Lev Yassin on the team? Did they revive him or something? Reboot card. How? Kita, let's get a goal. Let's get a goal, guys. We need a goal. I need the win. I don't care. We need the win. We just need to find how to get off their pressure, to be honest. I'm thinking of some ideas, but we need to get this. We need to get this. So, my idea is like bring Salah to winger role, both wingers, Carvalho doing what he does at this point, and both my wingbacks will be like inverted. I don't care. I need them to attack internally. Let's confuse them a bit. What a genius, bro! What a genius, bro! What a genius, bro! What a genius! Genius! What a genius! What a genius! Fucking shit! Shit. Genius play, bro. Genius play. Over 200 IQ over there. Like who scored? Matip. Okay, okay, I guess. That's some good job, bro. Feel relieved. Feel so much relieved right now. I can't even describe it. It's like perfect. Abu Bakar, huh? Let's mark Abu Bakar over there. He tries to get the ball in some good places. Pick him up. Don't worry. I didn't do many changes for now, to be honest. So I'm glad about this. I would change Carvalho with Salah right now. But let's play. Let's play. Okay. This Valentin Rosier like pushes me. I will mark him. Don't care. Luis Diaz. Luis Diaz. How can you lose this, bro? How can you like 1 centimeter? Centimeter. I'm gonna go crazy, bro. I'm gonna go crazy. It's like a friendly, but I'm too passionate about this shit. I'm too passionate. Okay, okay. Matip. That was good. I don't care. That was good. If we just concede a goal, I don't care. That was good. I really like the thought of this, to be honest. So Carvalho with Salah. Who should we choose over there? Elif Elmas. My boy. My boy is getting back in the game. My boy. Elif Elmas. Balkan power. Balkan power Elif Elmas. I believe in the Balkan power in Premier League. I believe that. Like we can play some instruments over there in England. And like some goals assist or that. Do you know? You know the best is London. Yeah. 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 Virgil Keita, Arthur. Darwin. Darwin fucking Nunes. That's perfect. What a ball. 2-0 on an away match, and Arthur did the job right over there. I'm so proud of this team right now. I'm so proud. Just one transfer. It was just one transfer. What a team. What players. What the chemistry is crazy. Good job. Good job. And all the duration of the match, we were playing like with with mid block. I changed high press, and the results came fast. But by the moment I changed the wing backs into inverted wing backs and my two wingers, inverted wingers, two wingers both, we scored a goal. A real fucking quick. Tsimikas, Virgil, Arthur, Virgil, Matip. It's perfect. That's perfect, bro. I'm really impressed to be honest. So happy. We can high press them. No, no, we shouldn't. We shouldn't. How much do you want me to cook you? How much? Like how much? Much or like a bit? A bit. You want to be a bit cooked, not raw. 2-0. Sorry, my Turkish fellas, but I respect Turkey. Yeah. You're a good country. We brothers, but a team must win. Fucking win. What a win. A chicken wing. We win. We win. That's what I want. That's what I want to say. We win. We win. We win. Like, do you watch fucking Wings or something? The the elf with wings something. Who's Billy Kumetio? Passing 14. Bro, Kumetio is the next wonder kid right here. No. No. How can I register him? I need the work rate though. I need it. Registration? How? Hmm. Let's see who we haven't. So he's like under 21, okay. Allison, Roberto Firmino, Jay Spearing, they're homegrown, Oxlade Chamberlain. Does he play 2 to 4 months? Oh, yeah, hell, hell. Joe Gomez, Nathan Phillips, homegrown, Tsimikas, Van Dijk. Yeah. So either I just get Oxlade Chamberlain outside of this team, but I don't want to. If he just gets back from getting injured, we need a player like him. He's homegrown, bro. Can I just add some player? No, I can't. No, I can't. Fuck. I must just unregister someone from here. I can't, bro. I can't. Cancel transfer. Cancel transfer. Can't. I can't. Adrian is like top right here. He's top. I. He's brought some bangers of matches, saving our asses. for nothing. Like it's nothing. Everybody, let's play the last match for our today's stream against Pohang. What is Pohang? So my Chinese fellas, or I don't know what country is this. What is Pohang? Is it a good team? Is it a shit team? Is it what the hell? In the moonlight, dancing in the moonlight. Let's quick pick this team. So Gakpo plays striker as well. I'm okay with this. I'm okay. Let's pick this team and let's pray everything goes well. Based on ability, it's the easiest match. So we should win easily. But I don't care. I just want to see some good football. I see some things I would change right here, to be honest. I would go to a 4-3-3 right now. 4-3-3. Why do you lose the ball right here? Why? 4-3-3, guys. This is the chance. This is the chance to make some difference. Firmino, okay. He would like be advanced playmaker. I don't care. Let's go. Let's go. 4-3-3. Firmino, Thiago, Luis Diaz, Virgil, okay. Konate, Thiago. That's nice. Gakpo. We press all right. We press all right. I'm really impressed with this. Arnold, Luis Diaz, Arnold. That's okay. That's okay. Robertson, play good. We play good. We do well. Okay. Salah, Firmino, Gakpo. No. What is this? Is it a standard, like standard or higher defensive line, I guess. But still, I'm having an advanced forward with pace, so that should not be a huge problem, to be honest. Press him, press him, press him, press him, press him. That's right. Thiago, okay. Milner, okay. How he was so near? He nearly just conceded. He nearly conceded. That was so laughable. I couldn't stop, bro. Robertson, okay. I see some changes over there, to be honest. Hmm. We bring the tempo lower right here, and the other changes, the change would be like Milner going box to box. Diago would be like a deep line playmaker. That's my changes over there. Let's pick up the pace and play some good ball. That's okay. That's okay. Let's bring some chances over there. Arnold, get me proud, boy. Get me proud. Get me proud, please. Mohamed Salah. Salah. Press him. Press him. Press right now. Right now. Oh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Press him. Press him. Bro, this doesn't even need the mid block, to be honest. We just high press them. High press. Nice. Nice. Firmino. Offside. Ah, that was good. That was good. That was good. I respect that. I respect that. Chad, let's bring this heat in this match, bro. Let's bring this heat. Gakpo. Like we have 6 shots, 0 on target. That's worrying, to be honest, but everything will fix. I trust this. Luis Diaz. Goal, what a goal. Bang this ball. Smash the crossbar, bro. Bang this ball. Get this in. Fuck it. Get in. What a ball. Baller Luis Diaz, bro. Baller. What a baller. 1-0. Another W for the team. Bruh, it's like 29 minutes and we'll get the win so easily. Konate. Arnold. Konate. Robertson. Thiago. Let's play smart. Salad. Why was this offside, bro? Why was this offside? I'm doubting this, to be honest. Robertson. Thiago. Robertson. Okay. Let's shorten the passes a bit. Should we? I think we should. Virgil. Okay. Thiago. Milner. Robertson. What a good triangle. Rectangle or square or like. Okay. Shorter passes. Shorter passes. We need it. And by the time I just changed the tempo, as I said in previous moments, we scored. Nice. We need someone to take some good free kicks. Just I remember. Declan Rice is on the way, bro. Yeah. Ah, bro, that team is crazy. That team is crazy. Park Ji-yoon. Okay. Offside. Nice. Nice. Nice positioning, lads. Nice positioning. Arnold Konate. Play well, Firmino. Nice. Konate, Virgil Robertson. Milner. Okay. Get that ball a bit forward. Gakpo. Clean. That's clean. That's clean. The best football you will ever see. It's with us. Psychologist. Psychologist, bro. Remember the name. Remember the name. Psychologist. Remember the name. Just remember the name. Yeah. Can my voice like being a radio producer producing or something? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our morning routine, sponsored by Old Spice. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. I don't care. I don't care. You ain't getting a goal, bro. You ain't getting. I conceded 0 goals. 0 goals. And Timo Werner was the one he was threatening me. The only one. Be for real. I ain't conceding like from seaside Chinese team. I ain't conceding. No offense to Chinese teams, but please respect Timo Werner's name. That was nearly good. Impressed. Nil zero. Nil zero. Nil two. Away match. I like what I'm seeing. I'm proud of you and stay strong. Stay strong, guys. Stay strong. Should we keep high press or do I just get mid block over there? Hmm. Right now, I see some changes, to be honest. I see some changes. Wait. So, we need our wingers, both, and we need two strikers. Let's play directly. We play directly. I don't care. Thiago is like central midfielder. No, let's keep him as a deep line playmaker, Milner as a box to box, and let's get direct. We get direct. Let's see this. They press high. Right now they press high. And we need to get the ball into wider spaces in order to avoid the high pressure. Did they just get mid block again? Like bro, what? Yeah, they did. Okay. Mohamed Salah, Gakpo, Luis Diaz. What a save! What a save, bro! What a save! What did he save? Sign him. Sign him. I don't care. I don't care, bro. Sign him. Sign him. Don't sign him. Don't sign him. Don't sign him. Don't sign him, bro. Don't sign him, bro. I'm leaving. Don't sign him. What did he concede like? Bruh. Bruh. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Wasn't expecting this. He conceded a goal like this and saved two shots in a row. Damn, bro, that's crazy. I was going to sign him. Not gonna lie. I'm really, I was ready to search him. Damn. You just got destroyed, boy. You just got destroyed. If he just caught it, a career would have changed. But no, Mohamed Salah had other plans. He just destroyed his career. Nice. Not that he would play too much, but I mean, what are the possibilities to for something like this to happen? Like how? That's crazy. Milner, Gakpo plays wide. Mohamed Salah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Arnold, nil three. Arnold, Firmino, okay, okay. Thiago can be changed. We have like good ratings all the time. High press or mid block? Should I just go mid block? Cho Huyong, Bike Bisung, Kim Ha-ho. So, let's mark the new players right here. We don't need, we don't want to give them so much space. Chu Huyong, Cho Huyong. Guys, if anyone like Chinese or Japan, did I concede, bro? Did I concede to Chinese club? You're fired. You're all fired, bro. You're all fired. Every one of the single team is fired, bro. You're fired. You're fired. I'm playing with the under 29s. I don't care. Like, bro, we are Liverpool. Get yourself together. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's crazy. Hmm. Who would have thought? Okay. High press or mid block? I guess high press is the answer right now, but I can't express myself for real right now. That pass for Arnold was perfect, bro. Thank you, goalkeeper, for bringing me such a nice pass. That was so kind of you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, okay, Gakpo. Shoot a chicken out of the field. That was nice. That was really important at this point of the match. Arnold, what a free kick. Thiago, shoot it. Curve like was crazy. Let's bring this home as well, guys. I'm really impressed, to be honest. And without my boy, Elif Elmas, without my boy, what a team. Robertson, what a player. Thiago, Firmino, yeah, that was offside. Didn't need to do this. Press them, press them. That's nice. Luis Diaz, Thiago, Mohamed Salah. Like, I won't even call him by his real name. Salah is just stuck in my mind right now. So much. Press him. Press him. Good job. Good job. Hmm. No subs made. Robertson for Milner. Okay. Let's get some changes. So, Henderson, uh, Luis Diaz for Harvey Elliott. He's like injured. I don't care. And Joe Gomez. Let's bring Kostas Tsimikas. I don't care. Let's bring him. Thiago. Press them. Press them. Okay. Adrian is like the best goalkeeper in the world right now. Tell me something different, bro. Adrian is like the best goalkeeper in the world. He's like played in the best teams in the world. The best. The best. Firmino. That's a nice block. That's a nice block. Guys, chat, how can we call the big wall in China? How do we call this? In English. I don't know. So I just ask. Milner, what is direct? Okay. Konate, Konate, Robertson, Henderson. Probably last chance. I'm glad about this. Milner. So good. So fucking good. So fucking good. Yeah. Big Bungang. Big Bungang. Milner. Robertson. Virgil. Guys, I really like talking Chinese manners. I try. I need to learn talking. I like this, to be honest. Not gonna lie, it's like the most fun language for me. You have fun as you talk about it. Not in a insulting way. It's fun. It's fun. I would like to learn this. Jeju. It's Jeju, bro. GG though, 3 wins in a row. What a team we have. What a team. Community Shield with Manchester City. Are we getting, guys, the first trophy of our own? Are we doing this? Or maybe not. Stay tuned to the next stream, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be waiting for you. So, chat, good night from here. I'll be waiting for you every day and every night. Yeah. Yeah.